Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about my listed top 5 VS Code extension. You guys have probably heard about VS Code or Visual Studio Code, which is by Microsoft of course. It's a cross-platform super cool IDE where you can program almost any kind of language you can think of, like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Flutter, React, anything. Another cool thing about it is that you can use third-party extensions to improve your experience, choose other themes, and overall improving your programming experience. So I have created a list of best 5 extensions in the market or the marketplace that VS Code have. So let's check it out. So first of all, we have Prettier, which is the best document formatting tool out there in the marketplace. So for installing it, we will first go to the extension tab and then type in Prettier, and there it is, Prettier code formatter. The main advantage of this is it supports a lot of languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, JSON, CSS, LESS, HTML, Vue, Angular, and many more. So just you have to click here, there will be an install button here, and it will work just fine out of the box. No need to worry about anything. Just open your code or anything else, like I am opening a JavaScript code. So here you can see the Prettier is enabled here. So let me make some changes in the document like this. So when we press Alt Shift F, it will format the document for me. So it's very helpful when we deal a lot of code in a same file and it's messed up. It increases the readability of the program. Moving on, next up we have the bracket clear colorizer extension. If you are like me and often find yourself falsely navigating through those confusing curly brackets when inspecting branches of code, this one is a must-have for you. It will allow the editor to identify matching brackets with colors so you can define and configure. So it enables you to know the depth of code branches by merely having a look at the respective color bracket. Like here I have already enabled it here. So for installation you need to go to the extension tab likewise and search bracket, and there it is. There is a 2 version, and the first version is normal and second version is the bracket clear colorizer 2. This one is much better. So there will be an install button here and it will be as usual work just out of the box. No need to worry about anything. And there you go. See, my all the brackets are now colored. See, there is a nested if else here. See, all the brackets are different colors. You can see. Next up we have Live Server, which is basically an extension that allow you to build local server in a computer where you can run your web projects easily. So let's go to the extension tab. Type in Live Server. And there it is. Just install it, and for using it you need to go to the file that you are editing, and there will be a go live button here. Just click it and there you go. It's that simple. And when you make a change, and save it, it will automatically refresh the pages. So next up we have PolaCode 2020. It helps you to screenshot your code and send it to others in an image format. So let's check it out. So as usual we will go to the extension tab and search for PolaCode. See, there are many versions of PolaCode available, but you should choose a PolaCode 2020 because it's the only one that works with the 2020 version or the latest version of VS Code. So just click here to install it. And let me show you how it works. So open up a file, then go to View, Command Palette, and type PolaCode. Click it, and there you go. Just select the code you want to share. And there are two options: shadows, transparency, that's all. And to save it, just click here. Something like, and just save it. For the last, we have error lens, which is a tool to highlight errors in the code. The main feature of it is that it shows the error in the same line. Like, let me show you. Like, if I erase this, there is an error and it shows in the same line where the error is. So it's helpful because you don't have to go to the console to check it and don't have to run it. So that's cool, right? So for installing it, just go here and just install it. Nothing else to do. It works just fine. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.